Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing devices and permissions. Verify your Govee lights are powered and on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi as your iPhone. Open Govee Home and sign in. Grant Bluetooth, location, and local network access so discovery works. Once done, tap the plus or add device in Govee Home and follow the quick auto scan to find your light. Make sure the light blinks for pairing. If not, power cycle it and retry the scan. Now you'll link the device to Apple Home. In Govee Home, go to the device settings and choose HomeKit and Siri. Tap Add to Apple Home and immediately switch to the Apple Home prompts when they appear. You'll scan or enter the HomeKit code shown by Govee. This registers the accessory into your Home app. Assign a clear name and room so Siri recognizes it, and create a scene or automation for convenient control. Once integrated, test basic on /off, and finish by updating firmware in Govee Home and confirming the device appears in Apple Home with the correct name and room. Test Siri by saying simple commands like, "Hey Siri, turn on light name," and try a home automation to ensure schedules run. If the device is unresponsive or won't pair, reset the light to factory, reboot your router, and ensure you're on the 4 GHz network. Then repeat the HomeKit add process. That reset step resolves most stubborn pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.